welcome back to my channel. But I got this from Kathy's Kai out in the Parklea markets. Yeah, this is like something she's put together for Father's Day and I wanted it. Anyway, so let me go through it one at a time. Anyway, so we've got the oyster there, the creamy power, chowder, seafood chowder, got the fried bread here. It's only free, but it looks like, and then I've got the prawns, but when the prawns came, they were a bit semi-frozen, but I wanted it in like fried the way I like it fried. And then guys, look at this. Cannot. So that's sea jokes. And I have raw fish. I know. I am so lucky. Praise the good Lord for my lovely food. Wā ke le whainga lovely. Oh, I should have put pepper in it. But anyway, let me send my thank you. Here we go. Guys, you know what I want to try first? What do you think I want to try first? Okay, I'm going to try this chowder. Last time we had it there, it was so lovely. Guys. Lovely. You know when you start eating it, you don't want to put it down. Okay, I'll get my lemon and I'll start squeezing into these oysters in case I forget, but at least it's, you know what, some over here too, some of my raw fish as well. Okay guys, give it a stir. Delicious. Anyway guys, cheers. It's the lychee cordial. It's quite nice too, really nice. Try to stick to it. Okay. Next would be this power, creamy power. Oh, love power guys. Reminds me of my good old Wellington. Hey guys, you love in Wellington in New Zealand? And you can always get power. They're not so fat. Oh, stubborn. Oh, little winty. You know what I want to do, guys? I've seen this on Kai Māori. You know, nothing. You wait when I get oysters and cream power. I'm gonna do it too. And then put this on, the oyster on it. That's so lovely. Excuse you. The creamy power. It's very good. Guys, I wish I could share this with you. Oh, yep, okay. And I fried the prawns. Okay, I fried the prawn. Alright, bring my plate, put it over here. Put my shells. Yeah, so I fried this in oil, onion, garlic, Worcestershire sauce, and just a little bit of oyster sauce. Not too much, because then it takes over the flavour. But, and your saucy down there. Oh. Yeah. This is really nice. Okay, how do you guys like to do your raw fish? I like to do mine like squeeze a bit of lemon and let the fish soak a bit. I said they make their if you with snapper. Yeah, the meat does taste like snapper, but I don't know. I think it's a bit too much cream today. Sorry, Kathy. Sorry. I didn't mean to say that. I didn't mean to, but I had to. Okay, guys. I'm not putting her food down. Her food is delicious. Her food is delicious. Don't know. Do you know how many videos I do and my neighbours go and start their lawnmower, let out their dog? That neighbour right across there, you know what? He's gonna get that. No, he's a nice man, that guy across the road. So I won't give him that. Okay, I'll give his wife that. No, man, I tell lies. I can't explain it. It just tastes so good. I only bought 3 fry breads. Now guys, it's time for Henna. Henna is sea urchin, okay? Look at that, guys. Yeah, you guys have to. Hey! I'm trying to tip my off with it. Okay, guys. Yeah, sharing is caring. Oh. I know some of these might watch this and go, oh my gosh, what is that? It's love. Oh. Oh, yum. What's wrong, man? Oh. Guys. Whakari si Faye so whaswhalawa rea. Soso mai I. Es ka pūpū. Pena. Yummy. Right. Woohoo. This fried bear, man. So good. Oh. This is meant to be for Father's Day. I said to my husband, go pick it up. And if you want, buy you a kenna. Because you ain't going to have it in your mind. I know. Now, here goes the black ones. Look, Looks can be deceiving. Hey, I was the black sheep of my family, and I did not taste horrible. What does that mean? See? That was dark in color, but it was sweetie. See? God. I done a kidnap video. I ate 3 jars and I finished it. And I crack up every time someone goes, oh, kidnap farts. Hey, if you guys know what that means, you should find it funny. But anyway. No. No, finish. Guys, this is money. Yeah, and then I didn't drink the juice of the other jars, guys, because I had about 3 jars and I just wanted to kill her. Anyway, cheers to you guys. Oh, that was lovely. Ooh. Oh, guys. Oh, that was. Guys, you don't know how much I love this stuff, eh? I think these oysters might be local. I've seen people, they just like swallow it whole. And then I think, does that person really like the oysters or they just like swallowing it whole? Because me, I love popping the fat side, you know, inside. Next time, I don't care. I'd buy me heaps of kidneys. I just said I wasn't going to. I can't help it. I love this stuff. I love it. Okay. I'll dip that in here. It's so nice. Happy Sky makes lovely food. Yep, that's it, guys. I gotta do my shout out. So I have to go, wash my hands, and then I'll be back. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, shout out time. This is for all you lovely people that always comment on my videos. Thank you so much. But here goes. If you hear a dog across the road, shh, don't focus on the dog. But it'll probably be me, but anyway. This first shout out goes to Island Beauty Ngaro. Okay. Hello to you, Ngaro. Island Beauty. And then there's Rangi Ioane Opu'o. Hello to you. And then I want to shout out my husband's family. Robbie Tiaiti. Hello Robbie, nice to meet you. Thank you for coming in, letting me know who you are. My husband got excited when I told him who you were and who your mum and family are. And he said, yeah, that's my family. Yeah, that's the Cecils. Okay, yes. And fourth one is Metua Mare Tours. Okay, it's got an S. I gotta do it in the Mare Tour. Her name is Mare Tour Tan. That's the full name. But anyway, this one is Mare Tours 01. Okay, so hello to you. And then the Belfillers, hello. Thanks for commenting. I saw your comment and I appreciate it. And then there's Angel Mucky. Hello, Angel Mucky. Thank you for saying hello, you know. So I'm saying hello back to you, Angel. Thank you very much. And CJ Travers. Sharon! Sharon Lee. She's going home. And look how she doesn't do my... She's got to get that girl. Anyway. CJ... Sharon! You... monkey. Whakari oi Sharon. Whakari oi Sharon. I know you watch my videos. You wait. I ain't gonna pull your afro. Anyway, CJ Travers, thank you very much for commenting and coming through, leaving a comment, watching. Thank you. Now here goes another one. This for Ma'o. Hi Ma'o. Nice to have you comment. I have a little conversation with you on, you know, the comment section. Thank you very much. And then also to Kate Morton. Thank you, Kate. I see quite a lot of your comments. And as Ma'o as well. And then there's Wells Simpson. Hi, Wells. And then there's Rachel. Oh, let me tell you about this. This is a good-looking couple. I always love good-looking couples. This is a good-looking couple. They're in America, guys, and this girl is half Samoan, and her partner's Samoan as well. Go look up their channel. It's Rachel Leigh and Arthur. So hi guys, and then they got a little baby. They got a little daughter. She's so cute. I think she looks more like her mummy. But then kids sometimes they grow up and then they start looking like their daddy, and then at least they had a turn, right? And then there's Lani Alo Music, okay? And last but not least, that's for sure, is Ari. Thank you guys, thank you. Just applause for all my subscribers and all those that comment. Thank you so much, I appreciate you guys. Let's hear it for the boys and girls. Cheers, guys. Oh, this lychee, this lychee cordial is, my husband bought this. I bet you it was an accident, but it's a good accident. I love it. Anyway, Fasoi Fua, I hope you guys are all good out there, wherever you guys are. Nice to see you. Thank you so much for being on my Facebook Faye Vids page as well. Thank you so much. Pop over to my favorites Facebook. Leave a comment there. Upload a picture there. You know, about your family, about your cooking, about your pet. I don't mind. So see you on my like page, okay? Come and give me a thumbs up. Wailoa. See you guys. Take care. Ia manuia lava o tō. God bless.